Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Shatra. Once again I'm coming back to you mainly for the ICSE students, and this time again I'm coming with objectives, another objectives class. So before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. And if you like my channel, please share it. If you like my class, please share it with others. Okay, so let us start our class today. Another 5 objectives. I told you that I am uploading five objectives in my channel, so definitely you just follow that one and it will be very much helpful for ICSE 2026 examinations, computer examinations. So let's see, without wasting our time, please let us see what is our first five questions. Today's 5 questions. This is my sixth objectives class. So let us see that what I have written. The question number 1, you see that write the output. So output, you see that how it is written, very interesting. This type of question you may get in council examination. So please see this, that is system.out.println test, capital letter I have written test 1, the /n, you know that escape sequence /n means the new line, and test 2 quotation close, then the next line. You see that how the cursor, if you understand it properly, you can understand where your cursor is going after printing this. So this is your monitor, so the first line, you see that this is ln. So after printing, your cursor will come down after printing this one. Very interesting. Test 1, so first it will come TEST, test 1, then /n, this is the /n. Because of this /n, this test 2 will come in the next line. TES test 2, it will come in the next line. Okay, this test 2 is coming in the next line, but you see that because of this ln, your cursor is now not here. Your cursor is now not here. Because of this ln, your cursor is present in the third line. Your cursor is present in the third line. So in the third line, you see that another, again I have given a print statement with print ln option. So test 3 will come here. Test TEST, test 3 will come here. Then because of this ln, your cursor is not here. Your cursor is here. That means, so you see that after printing this ln means after printing your cursor will come down for the next line. You see that now your output will be this. This is your output for answer number 1. So I can show you this one in computer, then it will be clear right at this moment. Let me show you this one in computer. Please check this. So check this. I'll show you this one in computer. So compile. After compilation, you see that extra line I have written, that is mistake. So compile once again. You see that whatever I have written on the board, everything I am writing over here. So please close this. This is my today's the program. I'll show you one by one. So this is my code. Double click, check this. Now right click, void main. You see this answer. This how it is coming. You see that test 1, test 2, test 3. So what was your code? This was your code. So you are getting the answer like this. So I think it is clear now. So I will go for the next question. So check this. Now we are going for the second question. The second question, the right output. You see that right output. First question is over. Now we will go for the second question, write the output. So n equal to 15 and int p equal to 1. Check this condition. Only one line is there in the loop. So p means n greater than 1. N is how much? N is 15. Greater than 1. Condition is true. Yes, this condition is true. If it is true, computer, you come down this line and you check this one you do. So this will be math.n, value of n equal to 15. Minus means after doing the work, then that value of n will be decreasing. Now the power will be how much? P value equal to 1. So both are post. Both are post. This is minus, this is plus, but it is post. After taking this value means 15's power 1. So it is the answer of 2. 15's power 1, then 14's power 2, 14's power 2, then 13's power 3, then 12's power 4. Then in this way 11's power, how long we will go? We will go up to, in this way, up to how much we will go? We will go up to greater than 2. So whenever n value will be 2, that time the power, you can understand, according to this it will reduce. Okay, so this will give you 15.1, 15.0. This will give you maybe 196, like this. All the value you will get using this function. Okay, so this is post decrement and post increment. Let me show you this one in computer, then it will be clear for you. So let me show you. This is, check, this is the next one. So next one, this is my question number. Next question, same thing I have written, you can check it, I am showing you. So compilation done, no syntax error. Right click, void main, you see this, right click, void main, check your answer. These are the answers you will see. See that the first two I have written on the board and the others we will do like this. So we will get as per our power. So math.power n's power, that p, the value is written here and power is written here, and how long the condition n greater than 1, till then it will do the work. So this is another problem I have explained. Now we are coming to the third questions. So third questions, you see that write the output. We have to write the output. So the output int x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. This type of question, definitely you should apply, means you should use the working. You see that I am doing the working here. How you will write this code exactly? If you do it in this way, you can do the working properly. Okay, you see that initial value of int x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, then the condition, and then only one line within the loop, only a single line, this line within the loop and this line out of the loop, this line out of the loop, means this line will print only once and this line will print so many times, how many times the loop will work. You see that int x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, x equal to 5 or y equal to 10 is given. Now check this condition, x plus plus, when the condition is checking, that time it is I can show you that is 5, how I have explained in the other problem, and like this, or y equal to how much? It is 10. That means 10 within bracket it is 9. That means only now this condition will be checked by this 5 and 10, not 6 and 9. So 5 less than 10, yes, the condition at this time, the condition is true. If the condition is true, what will happen? If the condition is true, what will happen? We will get the value. How much will get the value? So you see that whenever we are coming from here to this line, whenever we are crossing this, means after checking the condition, whenever we are coming to this point, that time this value of x is becoming how much? 6. That time it is becoming 6 and y is becoming 9. So we are adding this time 6 plus 9 equal to 15. What the output? Output will be 15. Print what we are printing, this calculated value is printing 15. So this is the first. Now once again we are going back. So whenever you are going back, this time you see that value of x equal to 6 and y equal to 9. That means this value is coming here, this value is coming here. Now you check this time the condition. This time you see that 6 bracket 7 and less than, it is 9 bracket 8. So this condition true or false? This time also 6 less than 9. Yes, it is also true. If it is true, then computer what you will do? This time you see that what we are getting the value, you see that the changed value, means after crossing this you are coming here, so this value will be 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So it will be 7 plus 8, result will be again 15. So again we are going back. So this time we are getting this 7 and this is 8. You check this condition, this 7 and 8. So how we will write this? 7 and bracket it will be 8, and this is less than 8 bracket 7. Check this, what we are doing. This 7 less than 8, yes, again it is true, again it is true. Is it clear? Less than, again it is true. So whenever it is true, so what we are doing? We are doing, this value will be 8 plus 7. It will be 8 plus 7. So again we are getting 15. So now this time you check, this is 8 and this is 7. So 8 and bracket it is 9. Bracket it is 9 less than 7 bracket 6. So this condition, whenever you are coming back to this part, this time you see the condition we are getting what? Condition we are getting what? False or true? This time it is what? We are getting as false. 8 less than 7. We are checking this and this. So this is false. If it is false, that means we are not coming within the loop. We are not coming within the loop. This time we are not getting. So this 3 are output from the loop. These 3 lines are the output from the loop, but another line is written outside the loop, and this time you see the outside the loop. So this x will be updated value. What is the updated value? That is 9 and 6. So updated value, we are coming out from the loop, that updated value will be printed, again 15. So altogether we are getting 4 lines total output, 3 lines by the loop and 1 line we are getting outside the loop. So this way we are getting this output 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, so let's check this. I'm writing, this is the problem number 3 I'm explaining. So problem number 3 means this is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Question number 3, how I have written, this was the code. You see, compilation done, no syntax error, 30, right click, void main, check, this is the answer. You see that I'm showing the answer. You see this, the last one, it is used without loop, and this 3 we have printed using the loop, and the last, this line means this line work, because this line is outside the loop, so we are getting this one outside the loop. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. If you have the concept like this, the loops concept, then you can solve this type of problem very easily. Okay, so I will go for the second, the fourth problem now. The fourth problem, you see the code is exactly, I'm showing you the code. So the code we have to use that way. The code was rewrite using a for loop. You see that this is my code. The fourth question, you see that rewrite using for loop. So int p equal to 3 while p plus plus less than equal to 8. So how long this will work? Until or unless p value will be 9, it will work. Means less than equal to means p value till 8, it will do the work. Whenever p value will be 9, it will not do the work. So you let us check that how we will write this one using for loop. How we will write this one using for loop? Let's check. Now using for loop, you check, this is how we will write, this way we can write, okay, using for loop. So compilation done. If this result will give you what the result is giving, question number, this is a test program 31, this is 31. So this you see that I have not written, this is p starting value and this updation, you see that condition is given with the updation. So this place is empty, this place is empty, highlighted portion is empty. Why? Because you see that if you generally we write what, p less than equal to 8, something like this. If you write the post increment, that means update this counter index variable. This is called index variable. This index variable is updating here, so we don't have to write the updation here. We are writing the updation come condition. So two things we are writing. So here generally we write the condition, updation. Here we write the condition. You see that how I have written the condition and the updation, both are given over here. So if you write this, what the answer will come, let's see. After whenever its value is n equal to 3, computer check it, p plus plus, that means it is 3 less than equal to 8. The condition first computer will check. Whenever it will check, that means p is updating here, it will print 4, not 3. If you go inside the loop, p starting value 3, but because of this code, after getting this p initial value is 3, whenever it is coming to check, computer you check that p value is what, p value is here it is 3. Because of the post increment, whenever it will come inside the loop, p value will become 4. So we will not get the print as 3, it will be 4. So this loop will take start, means it will print the first value will be 4, then it will go on. So let's see, if you go for the test run, then what will come. Compilation done. Question number, this is 31. Right click void main check. This is computer is showing you, what computer is showing you is check. This is starting from 4. So when, how long it is increment, you see that whenever it is, this is interesting place, you check it, this place, you see that it is p less than equal to, means p, when p is 8, that time it is giving 9. When p is 7, this place p is 7, post increment, that time it is giving what, 8. When p is 8, that time it is giving 9. So this way it is solving, means we are solving, that is rewrite the code using a for loop. The code was written using while loop, and we are checking this one using for loop. Okay, now our next code, the output of the, this is the for last question. Our last question was like this, for int p equal to 3, p less than equal to 8, and p plus plus. So what the answer will come, it is looks like the previous program, but you see that updation is not done here, updation is done here. So p is increasing after printing this. And previous program, in my previous program, you see that, that is very interesting point. You see that p is updating after printing, and in my previous program, you see that in my previous program, this updating, so updating, then condition, means it is first checking as well as it is updating, then it is printing. And here it is that, see that updation is not given here, it is given here. That's why whenever we are printing, that updated value is printing here. Okay, that is important. So in this program you see that I have given this updation here. So this condition is true, then you are coming. So p is 3, condition is true, so p is not increasing, that 3 is here, that 3 is here. Whenever you are coming, 3 is there. So again whenever you are going back, that time this is updating, p will be 4. So p will be 4, again checking, in this way it is continuing. So compilation done, you see that this time we will start from 3, not from 4. You see that, right click void main check, this is starting from 3 and we are not getting 4. Okay, so this is very interesting and important objectives. This type of objectives, if you do, I think it will be very much helpful for all of you. Okay, so how to do the working, you all see that how I am doing the working. This is the working, how you will do whenever there is a loop. So whenever there is a loop, you will see that how you will do this working. Okay, this working is very important whenever the question is like this. This is very important. So up to this much, today is the 6th that Java objectives class. I think total 1 to 6, that all that 5 questions, that means 30 questions I have I'm going to upload, means already 25 is uploaded, and this is another 5 questions, that means the total 30 questions, and you do practice these 30 questions. I think this will be very much helpful for you all. Okay, so this once again I'm requesting you, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification, and you will get a lot more classes like this, and which will be important very much for ICSE 2026 examinations. Okay, so once again I will upload another questions if I get time, definitely. So till then, thank you very much. Goodbye.